Hello and welcome back to this channel and to a new diecast opening, a brand new opening of a new race car which I got just this week, and it's a special one. It's from Trans Hobby. We will firstly open it and look in it. It's my second model which I got from Trans Hobby, and there it is. There is the car. It's the Manthey First Form Porsche. It's with the model number 119, and it will be my second Trans Hobby. The first one I got here with a broken spoiler, so my expectations are, it's like a mixed feeling, because I don't want to have this diecast also the same problems as the last one. The last one I got from another retailer, so maybe this one will be now better, but let's see if we can get in there. Yes, we can. And then we will take a look at this new model. It will be racing in my WEC series. So let's see. I love the packaging of the Trans Hobby models. They are really cool. They are a bit of inspired from Mini GT in my opinion, but there we see the 24-hour of Le Mans and Trans Hobby and Porsche licensed product. So really cool to have this one. Really nice color scheme, and let's see if also inside is this really cool color scheme. It's the first time I'm unpacking this car, so pretty special. And now let's take a look. Oh, it's packed in there very good, I think. So this is a nice packaging. Let's see if we can get also to the car. Oh my god. Okay, there it's already jumping out, but this time the spoiler is on there, and this is the car, and I think the color looks really good. It's a cool blue design also with the black, and oh, the spoiler is big. The spoiler is really big. I need to compare it to like a other car, but I don't know if you can see it here. But for me, the spoiler is really big. Yeah, there you can see it. It's a high spoiler, but it's a really cool car. So the details are very great. Also with this number scheme, first place, currently the 92 car, and of course it's a Manthey racing car. So really cool. Also, let's take a look if it's rolling. Oh, it's not perfect. The left wheel is a bit stiff there, but it's okay. It's okay to do the stop motion. So this car will be in the next year's series. So be ready for the 2027 series to see this new Manthey First Form car. In my opinion, one you really need to look out for, because you can't miss it. The color scheme is way too cool. And so here we have it, the new Manthey First Form racing car from Trans Hobby, the diecast in 164. And you can see it next season in the WEC by PCS Racing. And we will see you in the next video, in the next diecast opening. Until then, bye bye.